Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I wanted to share some of the skincare products that are saving my skin this winter. I don't know why, but my skin has been a little bit more dry this winter, and so these products are definitely going to be more designed for drier skin types. It is important to change up your skincare routine, and usually in the winter I go for more rich products. So that is what this video is going to be mainly dedicated for. Before I start this video though, please leave in the comments which products you're loving this winter. I love hearing all of your recommendations because you all have shown me some of my favorite skincare products. So please leave those in the comments, and also make sure you are subscribed. I post weekly content about skincare. I usually do reviews, but I'm trying to branch out and try new things. So also let me know what kind of content you want from me. I'm open to trying so many different forms of content. There's a trend you're going to see with a lot of these products, and there's an ingredient that I'm specifically going to touch on that's been working great for my skin this winter. So let's go ahead and dive in. First of all, I want to hit on a cleanser that I love this winter. It's so affordable and it is effective while also being extremely gentle. This is the Ordinary's Glycolipid Cleanser. This is a cream-based cleanser, and it's one of my favorites because it is very effective at cleansing the skin while also not stripping it whatsoever. Sometimes in the winter I do cleanse my skin twice a day, and this product has been working great to not be stripping as a daytime and a nighttime cleanser. This definitely is a more moisturizing cleanser, and I feel like it was more designed for drier skin. It's been perfect for me, and so that's why I wanted to touch on this cleanser. It is such a beautiful formula. It really does an effective job. It's extremely affordable, it's easily accessible, and it's just a beautiful, elegant cleanser. The next product is a recent product that I tried, but it has honestly transformed my skin. The Rhode Glazing Milk. This product has so many acne fighting ingredients in it, and what I love about it is not only is it great for acne prone skin, but it also is wonderful for hydration. This product delivers a lasting glow that keeps my skin nourished and hydrated throughout the entire day. It's a great base. I go in with this product on damp skin. It's just such a beautiful formula. I'm glad that I finally got the chance to try it. So many people have been raving about it, and this is definitely something I'm going to be repurchasing. I think it's this week that they're launching their cleanser. Moving on to acne treatments, because I still get pretty bad acne in the winter. I have two products on this list. One of them is the Bubble Super Clear Acne Serum. You all have seen me talk about this so much, and that's not about to stop because this is one of my favorite formulas for an acne treatment because it has colloidal oatmeal in it, and it is by far one of the most hydrating acne treatments that I've tried. I like this product because it has salicylic acid in it, and that's personally an acne treatment that works great for me, but it can be drying in some circumstances, and so I'm glad they did include it in this elegant formula that feels like a lightweight moisturizer on the skin. This is safe enough to use daily if you are able to tolerate it. That's how much I personally use it. I use it once a day at night, and it works great to keep acne away. It's just a beautiful formula. If you are sensitive to salicylic acid, my other acne alternative is the Crave Beauty Oil La La. This product was so close to being in my 2023 recap. I felt like I had too many serums in there, and so that's why I didn't include this product, but I'm glad I can highlight it now because this has continued to be one of my favorite acne treatments. This product utilizes innovative technology, and it is such a beautiful formula for acne prone skin. This product is the perfect example of a non-drying, non-active based acne treatment that I feel like people with really sensitive skin need. This product is so luxurious, it's hydrating for the skin, it has a beautiful, elegant oil water consistency that just blends into the skin so nice and gives such a beautiful finish with great results. I cannot say enough good things about the Crave Beauty Oil La La. This is just such a well formulated product, and I cannot recommend it enough. My skin has been loving it this winter. Now let's move away from acne serums and let's go for just hydrating treatments. I've talked so much about both the Ordinary's Barrier Support Serum and the Stratia Lipid Gold, and even though both those products are in my day-to-day skincare routine, I feel like a little bit of a broken record with those products. Trust me, I will continue talking about them, but I did want to highlight some other great products that I've used, and one of my favorite barrier serums is the Peach and Lily Rescue Party Barrier Serum. This product I loved even more than the moisturizer the more that I did try it because it's just such a beautiful formula that combines so many ingredients that I've seen trending in separate skincare products. Peach and Lily is one of my favorite Korean skincare brands because their products are so well formulated. When you look at the highlighted ingredients in all of their products, it's just hard-hitting ingredient after another, after another, after another. It is just such a beautiful experience. This product has continued to work great, especially for my dry areas of my combination skin. In the winter, I do get a little bit more dry all over, and this has been a great balancing product with an extremely lightweight texture that I feel like would be designed for any skin type that needs hydration. With the amount of great ingredients in this product, it is a no-brainer why I love it. It is a steep price point, but still, it is a beautiful formula. Now, I've talked so much about my favorite peptide serum, which is the COSRX peptide serum. I still love that product, but in the winter, I wanted to go for something a little bit more nourishing. And even though the ingredients are different in this product, I'm currently loving the Stratia Interface Peptide Moisturizer because it is such a beautiful and luxurious peptide serum. You can use it as a moisturizer or a serum. I personally love using it as a serum in the winter. This product has a blend of amazing ingredients for acne-prone skin and also just nourishing and hydrating ingredients as well. I am about to repurchase this product because I just ran out of it. This is a perfect example of switching up your skincare routine in the winter. I personally prefer the feel of this peptide serum right now because it is just such a moisturizing option. It gives a beautiful glow and great results to the skin, and it's just a no-brainer with formula. They really included great hard-hitting peptides along with amazing supporting ingredients as well, and I cannot recommend it enough. Now let's get into moisturizers. The list could go on and on with it because I love so many moisturizers, and I feel like brands have been releasing nothing but moisturizers recently. So when I was coming down to picking moisturizers that I love for the winter, I mean, I was just going for what I personally use and the ones that personally really worked for me this winter to keep my skin nourished. At the time of filming this, one of them is currently sold out, and I completely understand why. This product has been saving my skin this winter, and I have talked about it before so much, but this is the Dew Instant Angel Moisturizer. This product has been well known for a while. I've seen recently a lot more people talking about it because it has such a strengthening lipid complex that is so beautiful for the skin. This product is specifically great in the areas that I am more dry. I did really utilize this product around my chin area, and my neck gets so sensitive from shaving. It's not a moisturizer that feels heavy on the skin. Now, if you are more oily, you may prefer their Air Angel. What I love about this product is it is such a lightweight yet nourishing formula that just sinks into the skin so beautifully. I love using this product at night, but in the winter, I love going in with it both day and night because it is just such a beautiful formula. Ingredient list wise, this has some of the most hard-hitting ingredients, and even though it is a $45 moisturizer, I really cannot recommend it enough. The next moisturizer is one that I tried a long time ago on this channel, but I wanted to re-mention it because one, they just launched a jumbo size of it, and two, I went back and looked at the ingredient list, and no wonder I loved it so much. This has so many hard-hitting ingredients that still work great for my skin to this day, and that is the Glossier After Balm. I love this because it is a very thick and rich moisturizer that doesn't cause acne, at least in my experience. It had a beautiful consistency to it, and whenever my skin was really going through it, I found myself falling back on this moisturizer. I am planning to repurchase this product since they have launched the jumbo size of this product, but I really wanted to touch on it because last winter, whenever my skin was going through it, I had some of this product on hand. I did repurchase this product, I would say, I think 3 or 4 times since I did my review on it, and I feel like this is a perfect moisturizer if one, you're wanting an extra balm added to the end of your skincare routine, or this could also act as a cheaper alternative to the Dew. Now, nothing really compares to Instant Angel in my opinion, but this is a little bit more affordable. It is a great product. It saved my skin during so many cold months. To wrap things up, let's end with a lip balm that I have not stopped talking about since it's been released. This is the Topical Slick Solve. This product has ceramides in it. This product has so many beautiful ingredients that work great to really lock in moisture for my lips, and it is just such a beautiful formula. This is by far my favorite lip treatment that I have tried because it really gives a great hydration. I don't plan to stop talking about this anytime soon because it is really that lip treatment. Pretty much to wrap things up, what I've been loving this winter is products that are rich in linoleic acid because they've been working great to really combat my acne. I mean, you want a great gentle acne treatment combination, mentioned, try out the Rhode Glazing Milk and the Crave Beauty Oil La La. That was kind of the overarching theme of this video. I really wanted to highlight products that not only work for me, but have been working to treat my acne in a very gentle way. But I also wanted to highlight some very rich and luxurious products that have been saving my skin this winter. Like I said, let me know what products you're personally loving right now in the winter. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.